you couldn't be there safely to teach anymore. So when the opportunity of NFTs came to mind, that, oh, you can actually profit not from these services that you're exchanging, not just because I'm teaching you, not just because I'm performing, because the pandemic has taken all of that away, but that, yeah.
It's happening like now with on all these other shows, especially on Broadway, they're stopping.
Exactly. And so dancers are really, it's hard. Dance is hard enough without a pandemic.
Mm-hmm.
Now, put in the pandemic, dancers are out of gigs, dancers can't be in communities. So NFTs really offer like an opportunity for dancers to profit on an entirely new level, because you can actually sell your dance videos as a product. And this doesn't mean that you need to be with your customer base. Like, they don't need to be right in front of you in order to for you to profit, because it's not about teaching or the services you provide, but it's more so about the art that you produce and that you have put money already for a videographer for, or put your time because you choreographed.
Yeah.
So it just helps dancers to profit on an entirely new avenue. Mm-hmm. And being like a starving artist for so long, I think that's just why like I was hell pulled into it, because I was like, yo, I see so many talented people who are struggling, trying to make money, and they're so talented and they work so hard and they produce such awesome material. Like, they should be able to sell their work and continue to profit even in the pandemic and in the age of social media, where your work can reach someone all the way across the globe, all the way across oceans. So why not harness the internet, the power of the internet, and just profit on an entirely new level by thinking bigger in that way.
Yeah. Right now,